two powerhouse ERP platforms, Tryton and Odoo. One major decision: which one truly meets your business needs? On the left, Tryton, modular, robust, and truly free ERP. On the right, Odoo, the all-in-one feature-rich business suite. Let's skip the marketing jargon and break down what really matters for your organization. We'll score each category point by point, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out ahead. And the final verdict for 2025 may surprise you. Okay, before we start tearing these giants apart, let's check out the categories we're going to cover. We'll be looking at price, features, user experience, customization and scalability, and ecosystem and community. Got your mental cheat sheet? Let's get into the good stuff. First up, let's talk about price. So Tryton is totally free, like no tricks, no license fees, nothing. Just pure open source goodness. The only costs you'll hit are for hosting and any technical help. Pretty sweet, right? Now, Odoo also gives you a free community edition, and here's where it stings. The enterprise version can run you about $20 to $40 per user each month. And if you start customizing, those costs just multiply. If money's tight or you hate unexpected bills, Tryton absolutely takes the cake here. Now, features. Tryton gives you a solid lineup. Accounting, CRM, HR, inventory, manufacturing, the classics. It's modular, so you can tweak stuff, which is cool. But honestly, there just aren't as many plug-and-play options as Odoo. Odoo goes wild with features. Over 12 modules, plus a gigantic app ecosystem. You get e-commerce, marketing, BI, and the list goes on. It can actually feel a bit bloated sometimes, and heavy customization might trip you up with upgrades. But if you want all the bells and whistles, Odoo's got your back. So yeah, Odoo easily wins here. Let's talk user experience. Tryton is all about reliability. Its interface is simple and stable. Nothing flashy, very data-focused. Still, it's not the prettiest, and the community's a bit smaller, so support sometimes feels DIY. Odoo, on the other hand, wow, it's slick. Modern design, huge user base, and tons of documentation. There's a learning curve for some advanced stuff, and not all enterprise customers love the support. But overall, Odoo's experience is just so much more user-friendly and welcoming, honestly. So yeah, Odoo wins again on this front. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Odoo actually started out as tiny ERP way back in 2005? And Tryton was spun out by the original community to be an even more open alternative. Pretty wild how things evolve, right? Moving on to customization and scalability. Tryton is built to be modular. You have to love that if you're a developer. You can pretty much craft your own workflows and go custom all the way. The backend's Python, so that's a developer's playground. The catch is deep customization does need technical chops. So if you're not a coder, it's kind of intimidating. Odoo. Tons of third-party apps and works for businesses of almost any size. That said, when you go wild on the customizations, you might find upgrades later to be a pain. So, if I'm honest, I can't give a clear win. Both are strong, but come with their own caveats, so it's a tie. Ecosystem and community time. Tryton's got an active open source foundation, and the developer community is definitely growing. But let's be real, the ecosystem is smaller, and there are fewer partners compared to the Odoo universe. Now, speaking of Odoo, yeah, it's huge. Tons of certified partners. Plus their community association, OCA, keeps adding new features and apps. You do notice a bit of commercial slant with some support, but overall, Odoo's ecosystem feels like the place to be if you want resources and community muscle. Winner here? Odoo, no question. So, looking at our radar chart, you kind of see a pattern. Tryton shines for price and developer flexibility, but Odoo just dominates when it comes to features, polish, and community support. The gap's obvious on some axes, but there are places where they're neck and neck. All right, here's my take. If you want a lean, ultra-reliable ERP that's truly open source and customizable, Tryton could be your jam, especially if you have tech skills in-house. But if you're after a modern experience with a ton of ready-made features and killer community support, honestly, Odoo is the out-of-the-box winner for most businesses. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.